Good morning, students. In last video, we are discussing about basic practices of crop production. In that first basic practice we have discussed, that is preparation of soil. And what is done in that preparation of soil? That is tilling and plowing. So what is tilling and plowing? The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing, and that can be done by traditional method as well as by modern method. So traditional tools that are used to for tilling or plowing, that is nothing but that is plow or hoe. And modern tool that is used, that is cultivator attached to tractor, right? So that is used nowadays, and that saves time and labor. Okay, so cultivator is used for that. Now, importance of tilling. What is the importance? Why we need to prepare the soil? Why we need to till the soil? So the reason is tilling uproots and kills unwanted plants that are called weeds. Okay, as well as tilling loosens the soil and mix the manure that has been spread on the field. Third importance of tilling, that is tilling allows air to circulate into the soil and keeps the roots of the crop plants healthy. The next crop that you are going to grow, that roots remains healthy. Fourth importance of tilling, we can see that many organisms are living inside the soil that decompose the dead plants, the roots that you have uprooted through tilling process, right? So organism will decompose that plants and animals and releases nutrients back into the soil, and this way tilling helps to turn the soil and bring the nutrient rich soil to the top so that plants can utilize these nutrients more efficiently. Now today's topic that you have to learn, that is sowing. Second important basic practice of crop production, that is sowing. What is sowing? Sowing is nothing but is the process of introducing seeds into the soil. Again I will repeat it, that is sowing is nothing but is the process of introducing seeds into the soil. Okay, why it is important? Farmer before sowing selects good quality, clean and healthy seeds, right, for sowing process. Why they select this type of seeds? Because this type of seeds, better quality of seeds, will give high yield, and that only they want high production they want. And for better production, good production, they want to select, they must have to select good quality and healthy seeds for sowing process. Okay, now how they can select good variety of seeds or good quality of seeds? For that, you see, you can take to understand how they are selecting good quality of seeds. You see this activity: take beaker and fill half of it with water, put handful of wheat seeds and stir well, wait for some time. Okay, so you have to fill water and you have to add wheat seeds in it. What you will observe, see this type of observation you will get: few seeds will float on water and few seeds will settle down at the bottom. And what is the reason why few seeds are floating and all are wheat seeds only, right? So why few seeds are floating and what we can say that this will settle down, few seeds will settle down? The reason is few seeds, what we can say, that are damaged one, right? Insects make them hollow, right? And when the seeds becomes hollow, will always float on water. But what about the good quality of seeds? So good quality of seeds, nothing but they will settle down. So in that way they separate, right, damaged seeds from healthy seeds. Okay, now tools that are used for sowing method. So traditional tool, as you can see in this picture, the tool used, this tool is used. Okay, so the tool used traditionally for showing seed is shaped like a funnel. So a funnel can be seen in the picture. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pass into the soil and place the seeds there. Okay, but effective method, but it takes time and labor both. Okay, same like preparation of soil. Okay, same next method, that is seed drill method. Seed drill method is widely used today. This is modern method. Nowadays seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. So you can see in the picture, it's the picture of seed drill. This tool shows the seeds uniformly at proper distance and depth. So this is very very important. With the help of this, it saves time and labor. Apart from this, this is a second advantage of seed drill. And what is that? That it shows the seeds uniformly at proper distance and depth. Why it is important to show the seeds at proper distance, yet at uniform distance or at equal distance? Why it is important? So imagine when the seeds are grown at only one place, more seeds are showed at one place, what will happen? Then we can say that that particular plant crops, we can say that, fight for sunlight, nutrient, as well as for water, as well as for space also. What we can say, that crops will fight, and that will not give good result, good yield, that will not give. Okay, and so imagine when the crops are shown at what you can say, far places, space is there between the two seeds, more space is there, what will happen? Again it will, what we can say, that proper space or proper, what we can say, that space is not utilized for crop production. That will also result into less yield. Okay, and that is not good for farmers. Okay, so that is the reason the seeds must shown at proper distance or at equal distance. As well as one important thing is given to you, that must be shown at proper depth. So why depth is important? So it is important to show the seeds at proper depth. अगर ऊपर रहेंगे seeds तो क्या होगा? Then that can see further, it is given, it is ensured that the seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This prevents damage caused by birds. क्योंकि अगर ऊपर रहेंगे seeds तो क्या होगा भाई? Birds that can damage, birds will eat that seeds and that will not germinate, right? And farmer will get less yield. So that is not good. So that should be shown inside the soil at proper depth. अगर ज़्यादा अंदर seeds चले गए तो क्या होगा? तो एयर ही नहीं पहुंच पाएगी वहाँ तक, और अगर एयर नहीं पहुंच पाएगी, न्यूट्रिएंट्स अंदर तक नहीं होंगे, तो क्या होगा? सो दैट सीड विल नेवर जर्मिनेट, और अगर जर्मिनेट ही नहीं होगी, नो क्रॉप्स, नो प्रोडक्शन. Easy to understand. So seeds must be shown at proper distance and at proper depth. Okay, now sowing, using sowing, as I previously said, by seed drill method saves time and labor. Okay, अगर जो काम easily हो रहा है वो लेबर से क्यों करना है, राइट? मेहनत क्यों करनी? लेबर मतलब मेहनत, तो इतनी मेहनत क्यों करने की ज़रूरत? हाँ भाई, कुछ फार्मर्स जो है, येस, दे प्रिफर दिस ट्रेडिशनल मेथड, क्योंकि दे डोंट हैव मनी दैट मच to spend on this modern equipments, modern tools. So if they don't have that much money, and in less money they want to grow crops, then they are using traditional method. Okay.